The 2025 UX300 becomes the first Lexus vehicle powered by the 5th generation Lexus Hybrid System, which pairs the inline 4-cylinder 2.0-liter gas engine with two motor generators through a planetary-type continuously variable transmission. The engine, working in concert with the electric motor, assures responsive performance, while exemplary energy efficiency is achieved by using both electric motors to charge a compact and lightweight lithium-ion battery that has replaced the previous system's nickel-metal hydride battery. The 60-cell battery is located under the rear seat, helping with passenger comfort and storage capacity. A new hybrid transaxle has been adopted, enabling higher output of the front 83 kW and rear 30 kW motors. Combined, the engine, lithium-ion battery and high-output motor deliver up to 196 horsepower. For 2025, shift-by-wire technology has also been introduced on the UX Edge, converting shift operations into electric signals. With no mechanical connections, the setup helps enable a quicker and more seamless shifting experience. The 2025 UX Edge boasts an improved manufacturer-estimated 0 to 60 acceleration time of 7.9 seconds all-wheel drive and 8.0 seconds front-wheel drive. The UX300H can be equipped with E4 Lexus's innovative all-wheel drive system, which places a permanent synchronous motor at the rear axle for near instantaneous drive force application in low grip or acceleration scenarios. The UX-H has a manufacturer-estimated combined 43 miles per gallon rating on front-wheel drive equipped models and 41 miles per gallon rating on all-wheel drive equipped models. Lexus instilled the UX-H with an outstanding combination of handling agility and smooth, quiet ride comfort. Key to achieving this balance is building the UX-H around the high-strength global architecture platform. Extensive use of high-tensile steel, high-strength adhesives, and laser screw welding results in a highly rigid structure, an essential foundation for helping to achieve sporty handling and luxurious ride comfort. The McPherson strut front suspension and trailing arm double wishbone type rear suspension, both mounted to subframes, are specially tuned to deliver a combination of agility and comfort. Carefully refined details such as quality of the damper oil, oil seals and friction control in the shock absorbers help make a positive impact on ride quality.